At the very end of a cul-de-sac on a perfectly level lot. This home is a quarter mile from the New York City direct train and a half a mile from the bus station and beautiful downtown Denville with all of its shops and fine restaurants. The rocking chair front porch welcomes you to this 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath colonial. The foyer features a double coat closet. The living room features an oversized bay window. The dining room has built-in shelving, and you can see to the kitchen, one of 2 large pantries. The double pantry on the other side. There is maintenance-free sile stone with coordinating tile backsplash. This room flows seamlessly into the family room. There's also a powder room and a laundry room on this level. Upstairs, we find 4 good-sized bedrooms. The master bedroom features an oversized walk-in closet and a full bath featuring a jetted tub, 2 sinks, and a stall shower. Each of the 3 bedrooms has large closets and oversized windows. The full bath has 2 sinks and a tub shower. Here is another shot of those long, wide windows. This level also has 3 linen closets. Out back, we find the paver patio with zones for a fire pit, lounging, and dining. Back in the more private section, surrounded by woods, is a beautiful hot tub. This home has 9-foot ceilings in the basement, and it's waiting to be finished. It has public water, public sewer, natural gas, and central air. Don't wait to tour this home. Call today. Thank you.